Hello, we have come back, and today's topic was local version control systems. So, what is local version control systems? Before that, I want to say that I just woke up a little bit before, and my CPU is not still hot, so I'm talking slowly. And another reason is my teammate can understand easily, so that I will speak slowly, and also my mother tongue is not English. That's why I will uh, talk just like a non-native speaker, because this is true. But I will try my best to explain better. So, come to the point. So, what is actually local version control system? Local means what? Local means the right now the your local machine, your where you actually work, like my personal computer. And version means, what is version? Version means there are lots of but there are lots of version. I mean, there is a file a.txt, and you change something, and there is final a.txt, like that. So we use software regularly. You notice that in Google Play, when you install any apps, after some days you notice there is an update. This is actually version. So how to control this version? So that's the main point of our playlist. So one approach is you can copy paste like this way. I'm watching you just like practically. Here I am creating a new folder, food, and here I am open in terminal. Here I am touching a file, foo.txt. Okay, so in vim foo.txt I write something. This is for a web designer. Okay, so I am saving this file, and later at some point I think that no, I need to change something. Later I want to add something. Okay, so what you can do another like vim foo one.txt. So here I am writing this is this is for web designer, and I am adding extra line, display list for someone who really love art very much. So I just modified. I just created two files. One is foo.txt, another is foo1.txt. So you have two options to control this version, two version of this two file. You can create a folder foo. You put a file here, and you create another foo1. So you put this file to this here. So now you have two version. So actually, before creating Git, people use just like this. People control version just like this, but this is huge pain, because when there are lots of files, lots of changes, you can't manage it. It's impossible and impractical. So here Git will rescue you. So I hope you have understand so how people worked before. All right, so this is the one approach, copy paste. Well, so maybe you can forget something accidentally to write some file. You want to write some file in one file, you want to change in one file, but you have accidentally write that change to another file. You just forget, because human means error prone. So to deal with this, programmer long ago developed local version control system. So what is a local version control system? Actually, it's a simple database that keep all the changes under the version control system. I will show you some image that is I have already downloaded here. Where is this is. So here you see, you have a local computer, you have a file, and there is a local version control system. You just created version 1, version 2, version 3. This is the old approach way. Okay, so then what happens, then what actually people call this RCS. RCS means RCS means actually I forget it. What is actually, well, RCS means actually revision control system. Actually it will recreate your every file at any point by adding all the patches. Just you will look your file, and if you change it, it will create another file. Okay, so this is called RCS. I repeat, RCS means revision control system. When you create a single file, then you change it, RCS automatically just copy that file and put it another place. So you will see lots of similar file if you use RCS method. So this is the problem. I am writing this word to visualize it. RCS equals to revision control system. So when you create a file and you write something and then you later change something, RCS will just copy that file to another place, same file with new update, but we will update frequently, so there will be generated lots of file, then will be hang out, then will be just crazy, which one I need, which one I don't need. Actually this is the problem of RCS version control system. So I think you have understand what is RCS version control system, and later we will understand a centralized version control system. So I am coming to the next topic. So this video is done.